Hi Dream Homers! Welcome to our new house tour here in Upper Antipolo, Rizal. Malapit lang sa Robinson's Antipolo. So ito yung surroundings niya, no? So peaceful naman ang community and secured ang subdivision. So if you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on my property videos. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, TikTok, Nemarque7, and Facebook and Instagram, Dream Home Nem. So, details of this property is 170 square meter for the lot area and 268 square meter for the floor area. Meron itong 2-car garage, 4 na bedroom, 4 na toilet and bath, 1 maid's room, a service area. So as you can see, no, malaki and spacious din yung bahay. Ito yung kanyang magiging service area para may idea kayo. And then, ito yung itsura ng likod. Okay? So, pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay using the main door. So, with gate and fence na rin yung property. And kung makikita nyo, covered na rin yung kanyang car garage and may small space for your pocket garden. And this will be your porch area. And this will be your door for your main entrance. Okay, so pagpasok natin sa loob, maaliwalas yung bahay, no? So white finish yung kanyang paint. And ito ang kanyang living space. Spacious siya. And then may cove ceiling design na rin. And may lights. And this area will be your dining area. Which is kasya naman ang 8 seaters of dining table. And meron na rin siyang lights, no? To add drama to your dining table. Why not? And then may sliding window to give ventilation. And this area naman will be your kitchen area. So, ayan, meron na rin siyang island countertop, no? And this door will be access going to your everyday kitchen. Okay? So, ayan yon. And ito namang door na to, access to will be your service door, access dun sa kaninang pinakita ko, no? And this room will be your maid's room. Spacious naman siya, Dream Homers, no? Kasya dito ang single bed or bunk bed. And tara, explore pa natin yung bahay. So again, this will be your auxiliary kitchen. And may isang door pa dito para sa inyong isang toilet and bath. May shower head na rin siya. Okay. So, that's it. That's it for the ground floor. Okay. So, yung pagpasok nyo sa main door, no, may lights na rin. And itong door na to will be your first room. It will be your guest room or office room. It's up to you, Dream Homers. So, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang mga windows, of course, para may natural light na papasok. And pwede din to for your elderly family members para hindi na siya aakyat sa hagdan. And, of course, ito naman will be your second toilet and bath. Okay? So, ayan, meron na siyang shower head. Okay, kompleto na rin siya. Yung ilalim ng stairs, pwede nyo siyang gawing storage space. So, tara, check natin yung second floor. So, habang umaakyat tayo sa stair, no, meron siyang window, a big window, of course, for our ventilation and natural light to comes inside your house. And this will be your family area. Pwede kayo mag-set up siya ng table or a small sofa. And dito sa second floor, nandito yung 3 rooms. So, check muna natin itong pangalawang room. So, this will be your second room. May provision na siya for window type aircon. Of course, may window na rin. And you have your built-in cabinet. Kasya dito ang single bed or bunk bed. And for your third room, for this property, so, again, same lang naman nung kaninang yung pangalawang room. So, that's it. And of course, meron silang common toilet and bath. This will be your toilet. Okay. And then your washing area and your bath area. Okay, nandito yung shower head. May wall niche na rin siya and floor to ceiling na rin yung tiles. O, para kang nasa restaurant or fast food kasi may washing area. Yung style niya, diba? Dream Homers. So, okay, last but not the least, your master room. So, ayan, malaki yung space niya, no? Kasya dito yung king size of bed. And meron siyang mga awning windows, no? Okay, napakalaki nga. King size of bed and that wall, pwede nyo dyan ilagay ang inyong TV. And itong door naman will be your walk-in closet and your master toilet and bath. So, a lot of built-in cabinets and drawer na pwede nyong paglagyan ng inyong mga gamit o damit. Okay, so this will be your master toilet and bath. So, ayan, wall niche na rin siya. And yung shower niya, hindi na siya telephone shower. You have your mini, what you call this, bathtub. And your his and her sink. Diba? Hindi kayo mag-aagawan. Okay, so that's it for this property, Dream Homers. Again, it's a master room. So, meron siyang balcony na nakaharap siya sa along road ng property, okay? So, this will be your balcony na pwede kayong mag-set up ng plants or a small coffee table, no? So, that's it, Dream Homers. If you're interested to view this one, please give us a call and message me on the number provided, and we're very happy to assist you finding your dream home. Bye!